What's up, family? My name is Brehon Mills, and I would like to welcome you back to the channel where not only do we talk about great stocks, we love talking about crypto, we love talking about option plays, and we love great books. All right, now, family, I wish I had more time to do more videos, but as of right now, I'm putting in 60, 70 hours a week at the job, so my time is very, very limited. So I'm just trying to bring you different stocks that I like to watch on a daily basis and what I'm thinking about. And so hopefully I'll continue bringing these stocks to you in groups of 2 or 3. And so today I want to talk about ChargePoint, Fuel Cell, and Plug. Again, look, these are long-term plays. They are great long-term plays. ChargePoint would definitely have its stake in the EV sector. We talk about charging stations all throughout the United States. ChargePoint will be a part of that. Fuel Cell, Plug, man, these are great EV plays. And again, they're great long-term holds. I was talking about Fuel Cell when it was around $3 a share. You know, I was telling everybody, buy Fuel Cell, buy Fuel Cell. And I've done pretty well as a long-term hold. All right, so again, and now when we take a look at it, this is definitely a great time to possibly purchase more shares or play some call options. All right, now when we take a look at the candles, right, the daily candles, and again, you know, I like to have that 20 SMA up, that 20-day simple moving average, or that 20-period simple moving average up. And I love to have the MACD. I love to monitor the momentum coming in the stock, and I love to take a look at the momentum leaving out of the stock. Now, I do look at other indicators from time to time, but for the most part, I'm not really at my, I'm not here at my desk day in and day out doing day trading. And so a lot of my plays currently based on, because of the hours that I'm putting in, the hours I'm away from my desk and the hours I'm away from home, I try to do my plays on a daily candle. All right. So, but again, I do use the 4-hour and the hourly candles to really decide whether I really want to jump into a play or not. All right. Now, as of right now, ChargePoint has been doing pretty good the last few days. Again, we've had a downtrend. So we had an uptrend, nice uptrend going from March 26th to April 5th. Then all of a sudden we had a reversal in pattern and we came down. So if you pay attention to the candles, after this huge spike up, gap up here, we had a somewhat of a dragonfly doji. Following candle was trading and closed below that, so that was a great indication that there's a possibility where we could exit the play or play some call options and hopefully ride this thing on down. And so we had a nice reversal in pattern, and now we are on a slight uptrend. We had the momentum on the MACD on the oscillator crossover going up, which is a good sign. So we do have some slight momentum coming into the play. Hopefully with Joe Biden speaking last night and pushing forward his Green New Deal, hopefully that'll get some momentum back into some of these plays. So I expect if we can open and close above this 20-day moving average, I think we should have a nice day. So as of right now, we're at 27.05. Hopefully we can have more movement to the upside. It may be a great opportunity to play a call option today on that. We got May 7th and which is next Friday, and May 14th. So again, man, take a look at those call options, May 7th, May 14th. It may be an opportunity there where you can make a little bit of money on ChargePoint. So let's pay attention to it, and let's continue monitoring it, because depending on how things go today, I may take a look at ChargePoint. Again, I also monitor Apple and Microsoft. So hopefully I may take a look at those, and hopefully may do a video after that if I have a little time. But as of right now, when it comes to the EVs, ChargePoint, Fuel Cell, Plug, ChargePoint is looking really, really nice for a potential call option. All right. Again, or buying some shares. If you want to buy 100 shares or 50 shares, go up $2, you make you $100 and get out of there. So there is some opportunity to make some money today. I really like ChargePoint. I like the candlestick development. Hopefully we can. It's at 26.33. We're at 27.05 pre-market. So we open and close above the candle. Maybe a great opportunity to place a call option. Again, do not jump in and place that call option within the first 30 minutes, because we could have a slight pullback, and then next thing you know, you're in the negative. So you don't want to be in the negative. Wait, see how things play out. Take a look at it around 12, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and see how that candle is developing. All right, and look for a possibility to jump in today. All right. Now let's take a look at FCEl again. All these plays, they kind of have a similar candlestick development. So we have a downtrend, then we have a reversal in pattern. All right, same with FCEl. So we had, some downward moving below the 20-day moving average, and this thing has been pushing forward, trying to get back to that 20-day moving average. So hopefully, we're looking at 1254. 20-day moving average. So hopefully we can get above that. And we're gonna open above that. So hopefully we'll close above that. Anytime the president come out, he's talking about that his infrastructure bills and trying to get things passed. Again, as of right now, any good news will move the market forward. So it might represent a great opportunity. Call option play might be in place. So look at May 7th, May 14th, 12, 13, $15 call option plays. Maybe an opportunity to jump in there. Also, hey man, look, if you want to buy 100 shares for $1,000, hopefully it go up a couple dollars and you can make it $200. All right, now looking promising. Okay, so FCEl along with ChargePoint is looking very, very promising today. Now let's take a look at Plug. All right, again, you take a look at these plays, man. They all had just tremendous runs. And again, it was based on all hype. Everybody's buying them. And now with the hype dies down, all this stuff is, on a steep decline. But hopefully after George Biden not George Biden, but Joe Biden, hopefully we could have some reversal in pattern here. So let's take a look at ChargePoint. Same thing, strong downward movement. And, so it'll be fortunate if we can get past that, past that 20-day moving average. It looks like we will. It's opening at 29.10. So hopefully there is a possibility that there is a reversal in pattern today. Also, you could buy you some shares, 50 or 100 shares. Hopefully, next couple of days, it go up a couple of bucks. You can make a couple $100. But if you play some call options on this, hey man, you can make, 50% gains, 100% gains based on, when you place the call option and its expiration date. So, May 7th, May 14th will be some great option plays here. So take a look at that 35 call option, 33 call option, and see what it's looking like. Okay, now I haven't had a chance to pull up bar chart on it, but take a look. I like these moves. All right, it appears that Plug has the reversal in pattern, reversal in trend potential. But when you take a look at it has had some resistance at that 20-day moving average. So we came back, we got back to the 20, had some resistance. All right, came back, got back, almost getting back to that 20, had resistance. So now we are just treading along, right? Treading along that 20-day moving average. So will today be the day that we finally cross over that 20-day moving average? All right, because if we cross over that 20-day moving average, we may have a nice upward trend establishing. All right, so again, we haven't failed. So going back to November of last year, when it first crossed over the 20-day moving average, it has had a tremendous run up. tremendous run up. All right. Then once we cross over the 20-day moving average coming down, it's just been a tremendous sell off. So if you had the opportunity to place some put options there, man, you would have been making a tremendous amount of money. That's okay if you wasn't in. Now, hopefully, this thing cross over the 20-day moving average. Hopefully, we'll be able to make a tremendous amount of money riding this wave up. All right, ride this wave up. All right, now, that's all I have for you when it comes to ChargePoint, fuel cell, and plug. Great opportunities. The president has spoken, and he's optimistic about pushing his bill through, and the market is going to respond to the optimism. So some money is going to come into these positions and these stocks. And so while the money is coming in, let's position ourselves to get a little bit of it. Okay. All right. Now, I hope this video added some value to you. Now, if it did, please leave a like, subscribe, and keep on coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.